You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking comparisons and financial advice. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience. Welcome back to Rome Tips. In this video, we're putting Fifth Third Bank and C Bank head-to-head to see which one comes out on top for your specific banking needs. For more in-depth information, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Let's jump right in and explore the features, advantages, and unique aspects of each bank. Fifth Third Bank has a long-standing reputation as a regional bank, boasting over 1,100 branches across the United States. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial services, from checking and savings accounts to credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, and even investment solutions. Fifth Third is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a balance between the convenience of online banking and the accessibility of physical branch locations. They're known for their competitive interest rates, particularly for savings and money market accounts, and offer valuable perks like 24/7 customer support. Their highly rated mobile app provides seamless access to accounts, mobile check deposit functionality, and convenient bill pay features. C Bank, with its headquarters in Texas, maintains a significant presence across the Midwest and West Coast. Renowned for its robust business banking services, C Bank is a popular choice among entrepreneurs and business owners. While C Bank does offer personal banking products like checking and savings accounts, home loans, and credit cards, its true strength lies in its business-focused solutions. These include merchant services, business lines of credit, and specialized commercial lending options. Furthermore, C Bank provides access to an array of financial tools and investment services, catering to those who prefer a more personalized approach to managing their business finances. So, which bank is the better fit for you? If you're primarily interested in general consumer banking with a readily available physical presence, Fifth Third Bank offers a diverse range of services tailored to individuals and families. On the other hand, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur seeking specialized financial products and a bank that prioritizes business needs, C Bank might be the ideal choice with its business-first philosophy. Explore the links in the description to learn more and select the bank that best aligns with your financial goals. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips.